Do not waste your time. Time is a fundamental aspect of our existence and plays a crucial role in our lives. It is a finite resource that is constantly passing, and once it is gone, it cannot be regained. Understanding the importance of time allows us to make the most of it and live a fulfilling life. Here are a few reasons why time is important. Number 1, limited resource. Time is limited for each individual. We all have a finite amount of time in our lives, and once it is spent, it cannot be replenished. Recognizing this limitation can motivate us to use our time wisely and make the most of every moment. Number 2, achievement of goals. Time is essential for accomplishing our goals and aspirations. By effectively managing our time, we can allocate it to activities that align with our priorities and work towards achieving our objectives. Number 3, personal growth. Time provides opportunities for personal growth and self-improvement. Whether it's learning new skills, pursuing hobbies, or investing in self-care, utilizing our time effectively allows us to develop as individuals and enhance our well-being. Number 4, relationships. Time is a precious commodity when it comes to building and maintaining relationships. Investing time in nurturing connections with loved ones, friends, and colleagues strengthens bonds and fosters a sense of belonging. To make the most of your time, consider the following tips. Set goals. Clearly define your short-term and long-term goals. This will help you prioritize your time and focus on tasks that contribute to your objectives. Plan and prioritize. Create a schedule or to-do list to organize your tasks and allocate time for each. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can be a major time waster. Try to overcome it by breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps, setting deadlines, and holding yourself accountable. Time management techniques. Explore different time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, or the Eisenhower matrix. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize distractions that can consume your time, such as excessive use of social media, unnecessary meetings, or interruptions. Learn to say no. Understand your limitations and learn to say no to activities that do not align with your priorities or goals. After following these steps, you will succeed. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel though.